Hello my lovely viewers, you're all welcome to today's class. We have a question to solve which is under electrolysis. It says when titanium chloride was electrolyzed by passing 0.12 ampere current through the solution for 500 seconds, 0.015 grams of titanium was deposited. So we are asked to find the charge of titanium ion, given that the value for 1 Faraday is 96500 coulomb and titanium is equals to 48.0. So for us to begin to solve this question, all we need to do first is to bring out the parameters given. So bringing out the parameters, it says that the titanium chloride was electrolyzed by passing 0.12 ampere of current. So current I is equals to 0.12 ampere through the solution for 500 seconds. So we have the value for time, which is equal to 500 seconds. 0.015 gram of titanium deposited. So the titanium deposited, as given in the question, is 0.015 grams. So that is the mass of titanium that was deposited. So we are asked to find the charge of titanium ion. But for us to begin, first we need to find the value of the quantity of current using the relation which says that Q is equal to IT. So Q is equals to, we have I to be 0.12 times the value of T, which is 500. So 0.12 times 500 gives us 60. So Q is equals to 60 coulombs. So this is the quantity of electricity. As this quantity of electricity deposited this mass of titanium. So we say that 60 coulombs deposited 0.015 grams of titanium. But as given in the question, we were told that titanium here is 48.0. So now we are going to look for the quantity of electricity that will deposit, that is 48.0 grams of titanium. So here we are going to say X. Let's call this unknown as X. So from here we can cross multiply by saying that X times 0.015 is equal to 60 times 48.0. So here we have 0.015 times X here gives us 0.015 X is equal to, here we have 60 times 48.0, here gives us 2880. So from here we divide both sides by 0.015 and 0.015. So this cancels this value, and here we have 2880 divided by 0.015, which gives us a value. So X is equals to 192000. So this is going to be in coulombs. So what this means, the interpretation is that 192,000 coulombs deposited 48.0 grams of titanium. But the question is asking us the charge of titanium ion. Just to get the charge of titanium ion, it's going to be the charge that deposited is 48.0 grams, which is going to be 192,000 divided by the value for 1 Faraday, which is given as 96500. You know, all of these two are all in coulombs, right? So we are going to divide through, and this gives us a value which is equal to 2 decimal places give us 1.99, and we can approximate this to 2.00. This means that 2 moles of E minus is equal to 2 Faraday, and this implies that the charge on titanium ion is equal to +2. So this is the final answer. So viewers, hope you have learned something today on the electrolysis. If you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section for more clarification.